Twist by Chubby Checker. There's only a few chords that you need to know, and then we'll go over the strumming pattern you can use for this whole song. So the chords for the intro, it's going to start with a B7 to an A to an E. And then the chords for the rest of the song will be all exactly the same. So it's going to start with an E, then you're going to go to an A, then you're going to go back to an E, then you're going to play a B7 to an A to an E. And those are the chords for the whole song. The strumming pattern that you can use is going to be this. Down, up, 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 down, up. That's it. Down, up, 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 down, up. What I'm doing on the first down, up is I'm only hitting the top 3 strings, and then the rest of the time I hit all the strings. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm just alternating between those two. So the top 3 strings, down, up, then all the strings, down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up, 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 down, up. So it kind of gives a different sound. So you're not just playing the same thing, you know. For the intro, you can play the same thing, or you can just do downstrokes that, and then you would go into the first verse. Come on, baby, let's do the twist. Come on, baby, let's do the twist. Take me by my little hand and go like this. And you just repeat that strumming pattern and all those chords for the entire song. Those are all the chords you need. That's a strumming pattern that you can use. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video helped you. If you guys want to check out ukulele strings, I got the best strings in the world in the description below, the strings I actually use for my ukulele. You can also get the top 20 ukulele songs in the world, a chord chart. You can get all the chord charts for all 20 of those songs, also in the description below. Get songs like Aloha O'e, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, I'm Yours, Can't Help Falling in Love, Brown Eyed Girl, Country Roads, all those great songs. So the strings and the top 20 chord chart for the ukulele is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped you, and I will see you in another one.